See the beautiful Kashmir, the apples of Kashmir. Now they have become really red. This is our location. This is the place where we are living in. So you can see so many apple trees, and here also in front we have an apple tree. And today we are going to learn about the resistance, how to measure the resistance in the beautiful serenic atmosphere of the Kashmir Valley here in Baramulla, Kashmir. See the beautiful Baramulla and the locations of Baramulla, so beautiful, so mesmerizing. There's so much greenery all around, so many trees, apple trees, and so many things out there. And this is the house we are having in. So today we are going to learn about the resistance and how do we go about it and how do we learn. So here we have two rheostats over here, so we can see the rheostats. So essentially we have a rheostat, we have a multimeter, and we have to measure the multimeter and the rheostat. So what we are going to do is that we will take one rheostat from over here and we'll get it out, and let's check out how to measure the resistance of the rheostat. So we will be calling the Zuha, and for the moment please wait. Zuha, आ जाओ जल्दी स्टार्ट हो गया, आ जाओ. Okay, so this is a very beautiful strategy. So today Zuha is not available with us, so I'll explain you. So as you see, this is my multimeter. So to measure the resistance, you can see the resistance knob is over here, 2000 to 200 to 20k. So instead of, so the rheostat reading over here, if you can see, reading over here is that rheostat is reading 1 ampere. That means if the current exceeds 1 ampere, this rheostat resistance will get burnt, and the maximum resistance of the rheostat is 100 ohms. So this, at one position it would be around 0, and the other position it would be 100 ohms. So the position wherein it is 0 is also termed as cutout position, whereas the position at which it is 100 is called as cut in position. So this is the variable rheostat. So here we can change this knob and vary the resistance. Okay, if we are seeing across these two terminals, the resistance, irrespective of variation, it would remain same. Only to see the variations, what we have to do is that we have to see across this and this. Okay, so whereas this and this, it would be same. So let's start with the resistance. It's a very low resistance, so it's 200. So with the 200 knob over here, let's see the resistance, what is the value. So here you can see the value. So what I will try to do is I'll try to fix the resistance over here, and yeah, so here I have fixed it. It's not getting fixed. So over here one knob, another knob over here, so it would be irrespective of my varying, it would remain the same. So here you can see it is around 100, and see if we put this, because I don't have any support over here, so I'm very sorry. The next video will be having some support system. So here if I'm trying to put it here, somehow it got fixed, and the other knob we'll put here and we'll try to see the value of resistance. See here it is around 107.4. even if I'm varying this resistance across these two terminals, it will not vary, although the resistance mentioned over here is 100, but we know for different temperatures and conditions it increases. So same is the case here. So the same thing over here also. Again, let's hope that we'll be able to see. So I'm putting here both the knobs, we're not having the support of anyone, so finding a little difficult. Again, it is almost the same because we are losing the connection, so it is almost the same, 107.5. So this is, if you want to check it across, so while we are checking it across, it will vary. So here you can see we are getting it 17.1. See here, we are getting it as 17.1 or, and when we are increasing it, so it will definitely increase. So now it is increasing 60.1. So this is the cut-in position. So this is the maximum position. So here we are getting around 113, and this is 113, and this position over here would be almost same, 113. So when we are varying this to down here across, we are seeing, so it is like very less, it is almost 1 ohm or near to 0 ohm. But here if you see across this, it would be almost the same, 113, same 113. So we have to know regarding the rheostats, the variable switch, and wherein we have to see across. So whenever we are connecting a rheostat in series, so what we have to make sure is that we have to connect this end to this top and this end to this top for series connection. Similarly, for parallel connection, what we need to do is that we need to connect it in parallel. So there would be two connections common. Now, how to do a series parallel arrangement and how to go about it, we'll be studying in the next session. Thank you for now, and to get more videos with Zuha, please like, share and subscribe. Zuha is not coming because you're not subscribing or not liking our videos more.